November 21st or something like that, 22nd maybe, somewhere in there. We're picking 200 bushel of corn in Iowa. It's 19.3% average moisture, which is pretty wet for us for this time of the year. And it snowed a little bit last night, so we're getting some of that going through the machine too, some still stuck to the leaves and such. Lots of fun. Just glad the heat works in the cab. It's a lot nicer in here than it is outside. Well, this is about it for 2008 harvest. I'm on the second to last set of 8 rows. There's 8 more to the right of me, and the other machine will be following up here pretty quickly. Just picking away, scaring up a ton of pheasants and scaring some deer out since we're right next to a creek. That's the excitement of the year. November 23rd, last 8 rows of the last field we have to do corn, and the field is average 19.5% moisture, which is exceptionally high for